sure people will ask me more questions about your pressure cooker than they will about my water heaters.
There's a 5-gallon tank in the back for so it fills itself once it starts baking so much.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah,
that thing's pretty serious. That's badass. This is no joke either. Did you make this?
That one too.
Oh wow. You should sell these things.
This one I throw you know those trompos, the taco adobada.
Okay.
You know how they make them like
Are those the kind you like cut sideways or whatever?
Yeah,
okay.
that's the one that you slice.
Yeah.
I smoke it instead of having it on propane.
All right.
I smoke it.
Nice. Oh, I bet it's good, huh? Yeah, I bet. All right, so it's not on right now, right?
No.
Okay.
Should be on that.
Okay. Let me just set this down here. Oh yeah, you got a bad clicker. I think I got it.
It hits sometimes it doesn't.
We'll fix that. Yeah, this is all the looping around of the wiring. I was like,
because
what?
I ended up getting that new. I replaced the aluminum one.
That stuff's not cheap either.
Yeah, I went on the street and like I told you, I did it once already and I didn't want to get back in there, so it's like I'll just get this. It's supposed to turn on by itself.
Oh no, you gotta hold it down until the light comes on. Yeah, yeah, you got a bad spring. I see the flame. Oh, let's take care of that first.
You know what I'm talking about? After a while, I was just like, I don't even know what's going on.
Yeah, you don't even want to deal with it.
Yeah.
It's all fixable stuff. It's just, it's been worked over, you know.
I apologize for my dirty work.
Don't even worry about it. I've seen a lot worse. Usually people break the glass. That's the first thing they do is they break the sight glass and they get in there and light it with like a barbecue lighter. And when I see that, I know like Uncle Bob or someone saw it. Yeah. And they go, why is this glass in here?
My dad used to do that.
And then they break the glass. Yeah, you could. Or make one yourself if you want to. You can make one a little bit larger.
Yeah. Take over this little corner right here. From right here to right here.
Yeah.
Build in the box.
Catching a break.
I'm calling all the time.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
I try to hit a little hobby.
Yeah. It's expensive.
Oh, it's very expensive. My wife was telling me, like, hey, I'm opening up another business right now, so that pot is actually part of that business that I'm opening.
Right.
I've been studying it for like a year now that I've been working on it.
Uh-huh.
And, you should have seen how I started it. It was I like cooking rocks, smoking meats. So I started with this one. This was a smoker, the first one.
Right.
Actually, that bottom pot right there
Okay.
was where I put the wood, and then I would just sit this over on top of it.
Right.
And then I was connect this to that tube right there, but I wasn't getting enough pressure to go in.
Yeah.
So I ended up finding this system right here. It's called Big Daddy.
Okay.
This right here, you put the charcoal and like the wood pellets.
Right.
And so for the smoking,
Mhm.
you throw a little bit of charcoal in there, and then right here it connects to a compressor. So,
Oh, so you pump it in.
Yeah, so you turn the compressor on and you can dial the pressure of the compressor. So once that starts warming up in here, I eject the bad smoke, and then once you get that good smoke in, then you just let it in.
Nice. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, trial and error, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I had to practice with the meat in there and the taste and the flavors and all that. So yeah, I got that going on. So I'm just gonna still just head tacos, but it's gonna be the beef. The meat's gonna be smoked.
Yeah.
I got nice and airy too.
What? Want to be on YouTube?
Yeah.
All right, say hi.
Hi, YouTube.
All right.
Which everybody loves when you show up to their houses.
They do, yeah, I'm a big hero. Some people go months without hot water. Like families, like seriously big families.
That's when my mom makes our hot shower wide awake.
They started going to their they got lucky. They started going to their mom's house.
Yeah.
I started just like I'll improvise with my little hot water.
Yeah, you're a little more.
I don't really care about the water. All I care about is the food.
Yeah, food's important.
Water is more important than food.
Yeah, that's true.
And if you're hungry and you drink water, you won't be hungry.
Yeah, for a little while, I guess.
Yeah. After 5 years.
5 years.
20, actually.
That's what it feels like. As soon as it starts getting cold, that's when the problems start happening.
Yeah, that's when my business kicks in.
Yeah, man.
It's winter time. Actually,
Oh,
summer
is it?
was busy too because of the daughters and the mothers, you know.
Yeah.
Because they do a lot of the cooking and the cleaning. And that's basically what you do with hot water. You know, I mean,
well, we gotta make sure that you gotta have everything washed inside. And that was one
yeah,
of the
laundry
problems,
and
too. That was one of the
dishes.
biggest problems that she had with the oil greasing. You need the hot water to remove all the oil pans on that stuff.
Oh yeah.
Hot water.
Mhm.
I'm gonna hold it and burn my hands every little time. I'll turn it on.
The hot water?
It is the
I would
hot.
put it to the extreme
Yeah.
sometimes. That's too much.
You just put it all the way to hotness, and I just turn it on.
That's what happens when you're inside the shower when you start messing with the knob.
And
You didn't know what to turn it and then fuck!
Oh man. Yeah.
He sees that I was running out.
Yeah, I like hot showers too. I don't know how people can go as long as they go.
Yeah.
I really don't. I get some of these numbers people tell me, and I'm just like, what? Like I go 2 hours without hot water. I notice. 'Cause I'm always cleaning, and
Yeah.
my hands are like, I'm starting to wear gloves because my hands are just getting so beat up.
Yeah.
Like really, like dirt I can't get out.
his hand is permanent.
But it really worked out.
It's permanent dirty.
Permanent, yeah, exactly. Well, there's stuff you can get for it. I just
We tried to a lot of times.
I remember that I left the field of construction and all that, and I started working behind the desk.
yeah.
I was-
You get hurt now, I heard.
Okay, so took the burner assembly out just because we could not get the thermal pile to send voltage for whatever reason. I didn't really bother to test it. We'll leave that here for you so you have it because you bought a new one. Took the valve out just because there was so much corrosion. It would be really difficult for me to get that new burner assembly in, right? And then you got some kind of error code flashing, so could be valve related. Who knows? We don't know yet. We'll see what happens when this one comes up. And then just changing the cover, which I'll leave the cover here for you just in case, you know, something goes on with it. You just have to call me if it shuts down in 2 days and let me know if it's flashing or whatever. Because I think you said it would go 24 hours or something before, right? Yeah, so obviously I can't sit here for 24 hours. So sometimes I have to come back. I don't want to, believe me, I don't want to. Yeah, so I just tell people, hey, you know, we'll get it. But, I mean, basically, new valve, new burner assembly. Yeah, I cleaned the crud out of the thermal pile, too. I got a bench grinder. Okay. And so it takes the flame and converts that to electricity and sends it up these wires. And if you clean it, yeah, I heard it, too. If you clean it, then you can get more life out of it, more longevity. Because it'll start to reduce and reduce and reduce.
It's like a bike when you leave it out and it gets wet.
Right.
It's rusted.
Yeah, it's like cleaning all those rusted parts and putting oil back on it again, and then it's like a new bike, right? But it's not. So it's like that.
I cut this for the first
There it is.
There it is.
I gotta get my clothes ready.
You gotta wait for that water to be
Yeah, it's going to take about 45 minutes.
45 more.
45 minutes to an hour.
I got this for the shop first. That was 16. That is kind of like the 16 back.
My thing.
Yeah.
Like boiler. Pretty much the same thing. Yeah, with And then underneath, you got water on top. You got pump.
Is that like that the thing you can make like instead of making tacos, it boils it up and makes it like really hot?
That's what I did. Look at. That's why I was taking a shower. I have the water open.
Oh, you were using the water out of here to take a
Yeah,
shower?
I boiled it and then the pump. The agua.
Oh, okay. Like a camping shower or something.
Yeah,
Huh? Wow. Okay.
Now we can finally take a shower.
Oh, I got you. Oh yeah, a little fish tank
The
pump.
water.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I thought you were boiling it on the stove or something.
We was doing that first.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Well, you can kiss that goodbye, hopefully.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
We used to put it on the stove. My mom would put it on the stove and put water in it and then go back and forth, back and forth.